Today we're going to test how the Panasonic AG AC90 handles wind noise. To do that, we're going to use this fan right here. First we'll test it without the built-in wind noise canceller. And then we'll go ahead and turn the built-in wind noise canceller on. And then we're going to use this product. It's called a stick-on WindCutter, and it's just a kind of a furry thing with a stick-on adhesive, and you simply stick it on directly over the built-in mic. Okay, let's start the test. Here's the WindCutter stuck onto the camera, and as you could hear, it does a fantastic job. No wind noise at all. The only thing you heard was the hum of the motor from the fan.